Nami Nabila binti Muhammad Rosli. My matric card number CE170017. I'm doing my internship program at Renai Manufacturing Malaysia, Sendirian Berhad at Bukit Jelutong, Shah Alam. My industrial supervisor, Mr. Chai KM5. His position is a production manager. Okay. His last work was at Freemac International Malaysia Sendirian Berhad from September 2020 to February 2021. His job was for site service and troubleshoot and execute production schedule. From April 2018 until April 2020, he works at Tika Climate Solution Malaysia Sendirian Berhad. He was prepare factory layout, test and confirm machine ability and installation accuracy. Okay, from January 2017 until January 2018, he works at Daikin Malaysia Sendirian Berhad. He prepare layout and material to design facility for the plant capacity, and also develop new setup to become chiller manufacturing center for Daikin product. At this company, his position as a production manager. From October 2012 to until December 2016, he works at GI Industrial Asia Holdings Sendirian Berhad. He prepare layout and material to design facility for the plant capacity. He works scheduling and inventory control. Okay, from September 2010 until October 2012, he worked at H&R Wax Malaysia. He monitor the blending schedule and machine schedule maintenance and factory upkeep. June 2004 until September 2010, he works at All Condes Sendirian Berhad. Workers competency assessment to improve productivity and flexibility. Develop subcontractor process to increase revenue. His expertise, he had 20 years of total experience in manufacturing production management in different industries and having good knowledge on HVAC, which is high ventilation air conditioning manufacturing process. He also having a 3 experience on new setup air condition manufacturing plant. He involved in factory legal compliance, building layout, office networking and surveillance control, factory machinery layout, machine utility supply. Lastly, he also involved in product transfer from origins factory, include manufacturing technology. This is my daily activities and job scope while working in Renai Manufacturing. Okay, in week 1, I have experience in installing electrical wiring at the compressor and control box. Okay, this process is for the unit for 20 kilowatt. Moreover, this is for unit for model 20 kilowatt until 23 kilowatt. Moreover, I had learned the work instructions and working process at every section, such as every process have 6 cells. So during cells 1 is for the insulation, cell 2 for brazing, and so on. So I also managed to analyze the data on time study. I have to take their time study to improve the process in production line. So in week 2, I learned more about the process of electrical termination, where the wire must put into the correct place. This is for to prevent from breakdown. Therefore, this process also need to be more careful. In addition, the analysis of time study continuing to get the preferred data. So while they are doing the process at each line, they have to key in the time and I will analyze it. Lastly, this week I had upgraded my skill when install the wiring at the compressor, control box and electrical termination. So in week 3, the work process is more about the termination of electrical wiring in outdoor unit for bigger models such as for upper than 23 kilowatt until 48 kilowatt. Therefore, the time taken by each of the work process is to observe and analyze the data to improve and balance the production line. Okay, for week 4, the process is repeating by using bigger model. Is for outdoor unit, which is take time to complete one unit. Therefore, I managed to increase the skills and gain more knowledge about the work process. So during week 5, the process is more about doing time analysis of the workers and record time data to observe the time during the work process at every line. The time process would be different due to different unit. So basically, this time are also different with the time that the production provide for them. So my job is to balance the line and trying to put the process at I need to divide the process at every line to balance the production. So for week 6, I have completed the project of water control using foot pedal, which is given by my supervisor. And also, I have record and observed time of every workers to complete the package unit. I also learning the process to terminate the electrical wiring of the control box for the package unit, which is this unit include indoor and outdoor unit. So in week 7, I assist in installing the compressor and electrical wiring for control box in package unit. So basically, every week there are different unit to be completed, and I am helping in doing the electrical termination and installing the compressor. So and also I have print and put SDS in all related equipment such as for oxygen tank. So this is the picture of my work process, which is I am doing for install compressor. After that, I will place after brazing, I will place the superlant and glue on the superlant. After that, I will routing the electrical wiring and terminate the electrical wiring of different unit. So as the internship student in production department, I am assigned to do project related to the factory process. So in order to improve efficiency of the production line, I should record the time taken to finish each work given to production workers. During my internship, I also had learned basic air conditioning system. So basically, air conditioning consists of 4 basic components, which is compressor, condenser, evaporator and expansion valve. Okay, this process is heat inside the building is absorbed and transfer outside via a cooling agent or refrigerant, which is we use R410A. Okay, the refrigerant is contained inside coil that travel to a closed system. The coil will guide the refrigerant from inside building to the outdoor and inside again. Last but not least, I also learned about the basic electrical wiring inside the air conditioning system. So this is the recommendation for the company, faculty and junior. So for the company, the which is Renai Manufacturing, is one of the rising company in terms of HVAC air conditioning. So for the faculty, I hope the faculty will extend the duration of internship program, because during that time the students cannot have limit of knowledge to learn. And also the internship program at the end of the semester, so this is easy for the student to apply job at the company and work as a permanent workers. So for the junior, it may be challenges, but it will teach a lot. It will give more knowledge and gain a lot of experience that related to a subject in the university. Thank you.